Okay, so let's go this problem called reverse a linked list. So they will give you the head of the linked list. You need to return them a head that if you go through it through each element, if you traverse through each element, you will see the linked list, the original linked list reversed. So there is a recursive solutions, but I will show the iterative one. So the idea is just to for each element we pass, just to make the next pointer points to the previous element. That's it. That's the main idea. So to do this, to achieve this, I will have three variables. First one is called next. The value is null, and the current is head, and the final one is the pref, and it's equal null. And while current, so I won't call it current. I will call it current for current. So while we have a value in current, the next value will be current dot next, and the current dot next will be equal to previous. So this is how we shift each. This is how we reverse each pointer to the previous element. So if in the first iteration, the head will be point. The next property in it will point to null, which makes it like the tail of the linked list. And now preparing to the next iteration, the previous will be equal to current, and the current will be equal to next. So we are just that's the main part here, and the other things is just preparing to the next iteration. So reversing each pointer, each next pointer would be to the previous will work fine. I think, yeah, I think looking at this at on a piece of paper will make will make sense more than writing the code. And at the end, we will return the previous, which will point to the new head, which was the tail of the original linked list. And let me run it. Everything should be fine. It's slow. Or maybe I lost internet connection. No. Hold on 1 second. Yeah. Okay, and submit the code. Yeah, everything's fine. But if you go to the discussions, you will find interesting solutions as well, recursive ones as well. Okay.